Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix apps notification not appearing on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining that their notifications are not appearing on their iPhone and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, don't worry, if you are facing issue with an app notification not appearing on your iPhone, you can try some troubleshooting steps and it resolves the problem. First of all, you have to check do not disturb mode. Make sure that the do not disturb mode is enabled. You can check this by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center and look for the crescent moon icon. If it's on, tap it to turn it off. After checking do not disturb, then you have to check silent mode. Ensure that your iPhone is not in silent mode. You can check the physical switch on the side of your iPhone. If the orange strip is visible, your iPhone is in silent mode. Flip the switch to turn off silent mode. After checking the silent mode, then you have to check notification settings for a specific app. Open your settings, go back, then scroll down and select notification and choose the specific app for which you are not receiving notifications. Make sure that allow notification is toggled on. If it's disabled or off, then simply enable it. After checking notification, then you have to check notification settings for do not disturb. Within the same notification settings, scroll down and check do not disturb. Sorry, go back and go to do not disturb or focus. And if you have any schedule like this, simply delete it. After deleting this and you are still facing the same issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor software issues. To restart your iPhone, simply again you have to go to your settings and tap on General, scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to check for iOS update on your iPhone 15. So guys, you have to ensure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Software updates often include bug fixes and improvement related to notification. So you have to simply go to your software update and check if there is any update available for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS. After updating your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to try last solution. Reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone 15. This won't erase your data but will reset all settings to their default. To do this, simply you have to go to your settings and general, scroll down and tap on shutdown. Sorry, go back. Sorry. And tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.